Hello everyone, today I will show you how to calibrate iPhone battery, and here's how it's done. 1. Drain the battery completely. Use your iPhone until it shuts down on its own. To speed up the process, use high brightness settings, stream videos, or play games. 2. Leave it off for a few hours. After your iPhone turns off, leave it powered down for at least 1 to 2 hours to ensure the battery is fully drained. 3. Charge to 100% without interruption. Plug your iPhone into an Apple certified charger and charge it uninterrupted until it reaches 100%. Do not use the phone while charging. 4. Perform an additional 30-minute charge. Even after it reaches 100%, leave it plugged in for an extra 30 to 60 minutes to ensure a full charge. 5. Force restart your iPhone. Once fully charged, perform a force restart. iPhone 8 and later. Press and quickly release volume up. Press and quickly release volume down, then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press and hold power plus volume down until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6s and earlier, hold power plus home button until the Apple logo appears. 6. Use your iPhone normally. Use your iPhone as usual, letting the battery drain naturally before recharging. Repeat this process every 1 to 2 months to maintain accuracy. And that is everything you need to know about how to calibrate iPhone battery. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.